Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Octavia Kasanti and my NPM is 202312579006. First, minimal pairs. Number 1. P versus B. P versus B. Initial position P versus B. P versus B. Park versus bug. Park versus bug. Final position mob versus mob. Mob versus mob. Cab versus cab. Cab versus cab. Number 2. F versus V. F versus V. Initial position fat versus vat. Fat versus vat. Fine versus vine. Fine versus vine. Final position leaf versus leave. Leaf versus leave. Safe versus save. Safe versus save. Number 3. S versus Z. S versus Z. Initial position zip versus zip. Zip versus zip. Sing versus zing. Sing versus zing. Final position buzz versus buzz. Buzz versus buzz. Price versus prize. Price versus prize. Number 4. Ch versus J. Ch versus J. Chang versus Jang. Initial position Chang versus Jang. Chang versus Jang. Cheap versus Jeep. Cheap versus Jeep. Final position rich versus ridge. Rich versus ridge. Lunch versus lunge. Lunch versus lunge. Number 5. K versus G. K versus G. Initial position card versus God. God versus God. Coal versus gold. Coal versus gold. Final position back versus bag. Back versus bag. Pig versus pig. Pig versus pig. Number 6. The versus the. The versus the. Initial position thigh versus thy. Thigh versus thy. Final position tooth versus soothe. Tooth versus soothe. Number 7. The versus the. The versus the. Initial position town versus down. Town versus down. Tie versus die. Tie versus die. Final position math versus mad. Math versus mad. Bed versus bed. Bed versus bed. Number 8. Sh versus j. Sh versus j. J. Sheet versus jeet. Sheet versus jeet. Final position rouge versus rouge. Rouge versus rouge. Number 9. L versus R. L versus R. Initial position. Lock versus rock. Lock versus rock. Rock. Initial position. Lock versus rock. Knock versus rock. Lamb versus ram. Lamb versus ram. Final position. Hill versus here. Hill versus here. Bell versus bear. Bell versus bear. Second, tongue twister. Tongue twister number 1. A good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. A good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. Number 2. Charming judges cheerfully jump and joke. Charming judges cheerfully jump and joke. Number 3. Silly zebras shared shoes and sang soft songs. Number 3. Silly zebras shared shoes and sang soft songs. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.